was suffering of a lot of headache, and I was taking a lot of medication just for headache. But I didn't understand what was the cause. And one day I saw a TV show, and I saw Dr. Phil, and I began to put attention to him while he was speaking, and I was exactly, what I was feeling. The symptom that I felt on my back, and it was the same like he was speaking on the show. So I came and they make the how do you say, the X-rays, and they saw that my neck was crooked, and my jaw was all messed up. So they say definitely you need a treatment. And since the beginning, I began to feel the different. The headache completely gone, and all it was a real bad. I cannot explain how all the time the headache right there, the headache right there. But since the beginning, the headache is gone. And as a matter of fact, today I saw Dr. Phil, and I was trying to greet him and say this is my hero, but I couldn't because I'm feeling better. It's real simple, not at all. You get used to it. You get used to it. As a matter of fact, now I'm used to it. When I take him out, it's kind of weird to me to talk because I'm used to it. At the beginning, you had to learn to talk with it because the air it get trapped. Now I gotta learn again to speak without this thing. That's it. I was drinking pills for the headache. So I don't know. And when I saw the show, it began to stir my mind. That's what I feel. My neck, and I say, what? How can I reach this guy? I can say that's a miracle that happened to me because it really helped me. You up, you down, you up, you down. It depends what kind of pill you take. It's hard to be taking pills all the time. I'm not wake up no more with grumpy or with the headache, and because that type of headache, you can go to the bed fine, but in the morning you wake up with the headache. So they explain why that happened. They began to explain me the blood. They don't go to the brain, and they know what's going on. The big notice is that I'm not drinking no more pills for headaches. That's the big difference for her. And I'm my hands were cold all the time, my feet all the time cold, and they say because the same thing. But now I'm okay. Many years, because this happened. I can talk of this problem around more than 10 years. And you don't know. You think that it's something normal that your jaw are clicking, your jaw move, especially when you eat hard stuff like bread. You say it's something normal, but it's not normal. You just see them, they move, but you don't see the damage they causing in your head. So I'm happy because I find a solution for my problem right at the moment that the treatment began. Because the headache, what bothering me a lot was the headache. Being with the headache all the time, I can, on my situation, I can be fine one moment, and the next moment, that was my big complaint with my wife. How can you always be headache? And she didn't understand what was going on. And I was angry myself too, because for one moment I was fine. The next moment I was feeling headache. My neck, all the time, neck problem. That's a big problem too, neck problem. On my situation was real bad. I don't know what, probably because I didn't treat, this before, but I couldn't read, because if I began to read, 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes later, I was feeling real bad, and I had to be like this. Now I'm fine. Keep with this thing, until the end, because people, they don't know. I've been speaking with a lot of people that they feel and they have been feeling the same thing, and I say, you know what, you might have the same thing that I have, and you don't know. But the thing is, you think that they're gonna go away, and that's why they don't treat themselves. But it won't go until you fix this thing for him. So I'm happy. Keep going, Dr. Phil.